Right, what's going on, people? It's your boy PJ, back once again with another video. I'm in an absolutely amazing little car. When I say little, it literally is little. A nice little Ford Fiesta. Okay, this has been modified to a whole different level. This is what I like about modding. If you're going to modify a car, make sure you modify it like this, people. Right, when you modify a car, you modify it to, make a car stand out from the crowd. Okay, and then hopefully get some female attention and etc, etc. Right, this vehicle, not only does it belong to a female, okay, it is a wife of a friend, a family member by the name of Wayne. If you don't know about Wayne yet, I'm going to get onto him later on. He's modified some crazy cars and he grew up on the Hay Squad phenomenon. All right, and he's only gone and bagged himself a cargo. How the hell did he do that? He's only been in the car scene for 5 minutes and he's gone and found himself a cargo, and not only that, he's actually gone and wifed her. How insane is that? Wayne, you legend. That's all I'm gonna say. I ain't gonna swear. You are a legend, Wayne. Well done, man. Now check those dials out. Little devils. You're crazy. Right, this is a Ford Fiesta, one of the sexiest Ford Fiestas currently in the UK, and it belongs to none other than a lady. Oh my goodness, a lady by the name of Jess. She has gone all out. We need more girls like her in the car scene. Okay, the details of the modifications to this vehicle is insane. This by far has to be one of the craziest modified vehicles currently in the UK. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let me know what else comes close to this bad boys. They don't modify cars like this anymore, do they? Take me back to the good old Max Power days. Subs, the airlift tank color coded, custom graphics, the headlight tints. Check out that interior, custom gauges, custom seats, the details people, look at that. The engine, nicely dressed, Check that splitter out. Custom body kit, color coded wheels, beautiful. Takes me back to the good old Max Power days when we went all out on modifications. Nothing like what's happening in today's scene. You know, a bit of exhaust and a remap and going pop, 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 bang. Nah. If you're going to modify it like this vehicle, people. Okay, there isn't anything that hasn't been modified on this vehicle. Right from the interior, the exterior, the engine bay, the boot build, the exhaust, all out on this car. Okay, and I am in love with this. Okay, the wrap here is what you call wrap. None of this just changing a color business. Okay, this is what you call wrap. This is how it should be wrapped. Okay, printed, you know, with companies' logos and stuff like that. I mean, this is what I'm fond of. Okay, this takes me back to when we were smashing the car scene back in the days when Max Power was live. Okay, the owner of this vehicle hasn't left a single thing untouched. Okay, and I'm proud to say she is member of the TGH family. Okay, thank you very much.